Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the plumbing trade. In today's video, we are going to learn to install an IWC or the Indian water closet and an EWC or the European water closet. By the end of this video, you will be able to prepare a layout, fix the S or P trap, fix the IWC over the trap chamber, fix the flushing cistern, fix the EWC and test the IWC and the EWC. Let us collect the tools, equipment and machinery required for this. Ball peen hammer 1, drilling machine 1, chisel 1, pipe wrench 1, screwdriver 1, double end spanner 1, hammer 1, hacksaw 1, trowel 1, poker 1, spirit level 1, water tube level 1, measuring tape 1, plumb bob 1, water pump plier 1, spade 1, straight edge 1, mortar pan 1, pipe vise 1, GI pipe and fitting as required, thread seal materials as required, plaster of Paris as required, white cement as required, solvent cement as required, angle caulk as required, push caulk as required, cement as required, fine sand as required, IWC with accessories as required, EWC with accessories as required, bricks as required, SW or PVC pipe with fittings as required, water as required and a valve as required. The first step to take before any installation is to ensure that the water supply is turned off. Select the appropriate place for the installation of the IWC. Ensure to clear the installation area and level it. Mark the position for fixing the closet and ensure that the center line of the closet is perpendicular to the rear wall. This point should be at least 8 inches away from the rear wall to allow space for the closet. Properly place a P or S trap in level at the required height and verify the water seal level. Place the trap in position along the soil pipe at the desired height. Ensure that the trap is level by using a spirit level. Adjust as necessary to achieve proper alignment. Connect the trap to the soil or drain pipe, ensuring a secure and watertight connection. Use compression fittings or solvent fittings depending on the type of trap and soil pipe material. Join the closet and trap using spun yarn soaked in cement paste and cement mortar in the ratio of 1:1. Connect the flush pipe between a high-level flush cistern that is 900 mm to 1200 mm at the floor level and the inlet of the water closet yoke. Backfill materials into the closet chambers by filling the empty space around the installed closet with suitable material to provide support, stability, and proper soil line. Fix the footrest on the shorter arm of the pan on both the right and left sides. Connect the water supply line to the flush tank and turn it on. Allow for curing and settling of all the joints. After that, turn on the water supply and check for blockage, leaks, and the water seal with the water pressure. Let us now proceed with installing an EWC. Select the appropriate place for the installation of the EWC. Ensure to clear the installation area and level it. Check the sewerage connections and toilet flange. In case of any cracks or damage, replace it with a new one. Set a wax ring on the flange to create a seal between the toilet and the soil line or drain. Fix the EWC on the floor by following the steps below. Place the closet bolts into the flange slots, ensuring that they are parallel and secure. Carefully lower the toilet onto the wax ring, aligning the bolts with the mounting holes. Tighten the nuts onto the bolts to secure the toilet, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Fix the flushing unit on the wall with the help of a PVC bend and PVC pipe connected to the EWC. It should not be more than 900 mm from the floor level. Provide water supply connection to the flush tank. Connect the flush pipe to the inlet opening of the EWC and connect the other end to the flush tank. Remember to use an O-ring rubber washer to seal the pipe connections and prevent leaks. Flush the toilet to ensure that it is working properly and also check for any leaks. Fix the seat with the cover and check the level. Apply caulk or white cement around the base to create an airtight seal. Note: the National Building Code specifies the minimum height requirement for the flush tank inlet level. This requirement helps ensure an adequate flow of water to the flush tank for proper flushing, while also preventing backflow or contamination of the water supply. For an IWC, this height requirement is a minimum of 1 meter, while for an EWC, this is a minimum of 0.6 meters. In this video, we have discussed how to prepare a layout, fix the S or P trap, fix the IWC over the trap chamber, fix the flushing cistern, fix the EWC, test the IWC and the EWC. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.